Good afternoon. Okay, where are we on our case?
Your Honor, I talked to Ms. Osei in the hallway. She indicates, Hawk was not able to help her, but she did have her appointment with DHHS this morning. So if we could get her another adjournment so she could work through that SER process.
A young woman stands in court, already thousands of dollars behind on rent, but she's still trying to keep everything together. School full-time, working nearly 35 hours a week, and now fighting eviction while hoping a small state relief check will save her home. The judge studies the numbers, realizing even the help she's waiting for might not be enough.
See, this would be the second adjournment. Okay. How much do you have owing?
Total, Your Honor, $2,811.50.
Oh, that's before the 800.
Oh, I'm sorry. Right, I'm sorry. $1,961.50. She made a payment of $850. She told me in the hallway, so I apologize.
That's exactly what she told me she was going to do. So you said that's 19.
6150.
Okay, and how much is your March rent?
$639 even.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get bumped.
So I'll let you work through the DHS process. How many people are in your house?
It's just me. So everybody has, it's a 3-bedroom, but everybody has to worry about their own rent. So that's
Right.
639. I gotta worry about that 639 on my own.
No, I got you. But so it's really just you.
Yeah.
So that you know, if you get the maximum award at DHHS, it's only gonna be about $410.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah. They call it state emergency relief, but it's not quite that.
Okay. I was also mentioning that I am getting ready to file my taxes. I think I was just waiting on a few more things, fingers crossed. I still am working and I'm about to pick up a second job just so I can help. So with rent.
Okay, well, no, okay, I hear you.
Yeah,
Are you in school?
I am in school. I do school full time and my current job, I work 35 hours.
What are you gonna be when you grow up?
I'm working, well, on my degree, it's a Bachelor of Science in Family Sciences and Human Development in Youth and Community Development.
Oh, is that 2 degrees or is that one long one?
No, so it's, for some reason, like it's Family Sciences, Human Development is the program, and then Youth and Community Development is my major. So that's that.
Wow.
And then I want to do family policy in that, or family law policy advocacy.
Family law policy advocate?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
That's cool, not my court, but all right. Okay. All right, young lady, let's see if we can get you through this. You got kind of a plan sketched out for yourself.
Yeah, gotta make a way. God gave me the will, so.
Well, what year are you?
I am a junior currently.
So you already had some tough times getting to that point, right?
Yeah, I mean,
Okay.
complete switch. So I was doing 4 years of finance right before I got to my senior year. I switched. It just wasn't for me anymore. I liked finance.
How did you go from finance to that?
I liked what I did outside of my major in my classes. I was at Wayne State as a peer mentor within the School of Business, and I enjoyed being a peer mentor,
Yeah.
more than going to class most of the time, honestly.
Something in life all of a sudden told you what your niche should be.
Yeah, it was God.
I know. All right. March 13th, 2026 at 3 p.m. All
Okay,
right, young lady.
here,
That's here.
gotcha.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
That's it for you.
I think that's it. Your Honor, have a great weekend. Good to see
do
you.
the same. Mayhem.
Good afternoon, Judge. Rania Haddad for the plaintiff.
Okay. And see here, Talib.
Right here, sir.
Oh, okay. That's not the name on the. All right, we got you. All right, how much is owing?
Your Honor, I'm showing rent to retain the amount of $1,878.32. Attorney fees and costs of $170 for a total redemptive amount of $2,048.32. I believe that the last hearing, the case was adjourned because of a Hawk appointment on 2/23.
Yes. And sir, what happened with your Hawk appointment?
Yeah, we spoke to Hog on the 23rd and they needed some additional information. So we sent everything they needed through email, and then we're just waiting on them to respond. They said in the next week or so we should get another call.
Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna find no I don't want March to kick. How much is your monthly rent?
May I bring?
$340.
Oh, that's your monthly rent?
Actually, Judge, what I'm showing is the monthly rent is $375. Just for clarification purposes, Judge, I just need to know who Talib Mahan is, because at the last hearing it was.
It's my father,
Okay,
and
so that
he has
needs-
he has a brain stroke, so he can't speak and he can't talk at all. But I have my mother right here next to me.
Yeah, so there's, I just want to make sure that that's clear for the record, Judge, just because we can't.
That who we're dealing, oh, okay, I got you. So mom's with you and dad at this point is a bit
He's
incapacitated,
medically,
so.
medically ill. He can't speak.
Is there a
Okay,
power of
sir.
attorney?
Let me ask you this. Your mom lives with your dad?
Yes.
Okay, so she's in the unit. Do you stay in the unit also?
No, I don't, sir.
Okay. All right, so let's do this. Do you know whether or not the funds would be available to pay the March rent?
No, I do not know, sir, because they told me
Okay.
they will just let us know in the upcoming week.
No, I know, but okay, I got you. Council, here's what I'm gonna do. My next date is the 13th, but if Hawk's gonna pay, I'm still gonna be under their cap of the 3,000. So I'd rather give them a shot at getting everything paid and do that. Sir, when you met with, did you meet with Hawk? With your-
No, I called them through phone, and then they asked for additional information like through the phone, speak to my mother, my father, and my little sister, everybody that's living in the apartment. And then they just needed more information through email, and I sent them everything they needed.
You sent them everything through, okay.
Yeah.
So Judge, because of the low amount of monthly rent, it would still be under 3,000 with March rent tacked on there. So if your goal is to see if they can also pay March rent to.
Yeah.
Yes, I understand the court's logic there.
All right. March 13th, 2026 at 3 p.m. Okay, so sir, here's the one thing you want to make sure to do. Okay,
Mhm.
I'm just gonna put this over. The number will go up, but we'll still be under what's the maximum amount that they will pay if they're gonna pay. Okay,
Okay.
so what you need to do is get back in touch with Hawk. Let them know that the number you probably gave them at first is gonna go up by that 300 or about $400.
Correct.
Okay, I will email the lady I've been speaking to and let her know that.
Okay, to let her know and let her know that the judge put it over to the 13th to try to get an answer from them that your rent is that the amount owed will go up. And so
Okay.
that's really the amount that your parents are really applying for.
Okay. All right, perfect. Thank
That
you
makes
so
sense
much.
to you, young man?
Yes, it does, sir. Thank you.
All right. All right. Thank you. Have a
Thank
great
you.
weekend.
You too,
Thanks,
sir.
Judge.
Thank you, Council.
Instead of rushing toward eviction, the judge decides to give the tenant one more opportunity. The court schedules another hearing date, allowing time for the tenant to finish the DHHS emergency assistance process and attempt to pay the remaining balance. The judge also notes something important: even if the state provides help, the assistance will likely only cover part of the total rent owed. That means the tenant still needs a plan to handle the rest. Housing courts across the country face these situations every day, balancing financial obligations with the reality that many tenants are working, studying, and still struggling to stay afloat. So what do you think? Did the judge make the right call by giving more time, or should eviction cases move faster once rent falls behind?